as you know, in the last video we had solved some questions related to mensuration. In this part also we would be doing the same. So let us begin without wasting any time. And yeah, also one more thing I would like to tell you, please do like this video and also subscribe the channel, because every time we make video for you, we have more than 50 plus content on this channel just made for you within 15 days, so that you can be helped. So please do like the video and share it if you want, but do subscribe and like it. So let us begin without wasting any time. So our today's first question is, the curved surface area of a cylinder is 440 centimeter square and its radius is 5 centimeter. Find the height. Given that, first, its cylinder, second, its curved surface area is 440 centimeter square, third, its radius is 5 centimeter, and what we have to find is its height. Height equals to question mark. Now since we have a question, we will be having its solution. It's definitely correct. So we are having the solution in front of you. Let us see. Solution. Curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH, out of which curved surface area is 440. It is given. 2 will come down as 2, pi will come down as 22 upon 7, r will come down as 5, height will come down as height. Now we have to find height, so we will take height on one side and rest all on one side. So h equals to 450 upon 450 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 5. Now we'll cut them up and we'll come to a conclusion of h equals to 2 into 7. Therefore height equals to 14 centimeter. Now let us move on to the next question, and it is, so let us move on to the next question, which is that find the perimeter of a sector of a circle if its measure is 90 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. So what we are given is that we have a circle whose what we call it, whose sector measure is 90 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. So therefore let us think that this is the circle of which this is the sector. Its theta will be 90 degree and its radius is 7 centimeter. Therefore PA equals to PB equals to 7 centimeter. We all know that radii of the same circle are always equal. That's a no point to be discussed. So let us move on. So as we progress in the video, we get that we have to find the length of the arc AXB. So length of arc AXB equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, which is the formula. So theta is 90 degree, 360 down, and 2 as it is pi as 22 upon 7, and r is 7. So 22 into 1 upon 2, that's what we'll get when we'll cut them off, and 11 upon 1 is nothing but 11 centimeter. So the perimeter of the sector would be nothing but PA plus PB plus length of arc AXB. So PA equals to 7 centimeter, PB equals to also 7 centimeter, and length of arc AXB is what? Yes, as you guessed it correct, it is 11 centimeter. So 11 plus 7 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25 centimeters. So what we get is that the length of arc AXB is 11 centimeter and perimeter of sector is 25 centimeter. So as you saw, we got all the three answers as this question was in 3 parts. Now let us move on to the next question, which is that the dimensions of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. It is melted and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. Now we have a cuboid, and this is melted, and a this cone is formed. So the dimension of this cuboid are length 44 centimeter, breadth 21 centimeter, and height 12 centimeter. Now it is given that the height of the cone is 24 centimeter, but it is not given that what is the radius. So we have to find the radius in order to get the answer. That's what the question related to. So we'll solve it and get the answer. Let us see. So what we'll do is, we'll apply the formula of volume of cuboid and get the answer. See, a volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height, which is 44 into 21 into 12, which is 924 into 12. As you saw, I just explained it in a very easy manner, which is equals to 11,088 centimeter cube, which is the answer of this volume of cuboid wala formula. Now volume of cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. which equals to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7, as pi will come down to become 22 upon 7, r square as it is, as we don't know the formula of r and h down as 24. So now what we'll do is that same cuboid is converted into cone, so we'll put these two formulas in front of each other and get the answer of r. So volume of cone equals to volume of cuboid, therefore 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 24 equals to 44 into 21 into 12. Now r square equals to 44 into 21 into 12 into 3 into 7 upon 22 into 24, as this both will go up and others will come down. Now r square equals to 21 into 3 into 7, as if we'll cut them we'll get that, then r square equals to 21 3s are 63 and 7 as it is, so r square equals to 441. Now 441's square root will be, yes, you guessed it correct, it will be 21. So as you see, we got the answer to be 21. Now we'll solve this last question and we'll conclude our session. So our last question is that find the surface area and the volume of a beach ball of diameter 42 centimeter, given that first one, it's a sphere, second, its diameter is nothing but 42 centimeter. Now what we have to find is its surface area, and second one, its volume. Now let us see. We'll begin our solution by writing that r equals to d upon 2, that is radius equals to diameter upon 2, and which is correct. Therefore radius equals to 42 upon 2, which is equal to 21 centimeter. Now first we have to find the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square, which is 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. So therefore we'll cut 7 and 21 and we'll write it as 4 into 22 into 3 into 21, which is nothing but 3 into 4 into 462, as 21 into 22 equals to 462. So now which equals to 3 into 1848, and we get the answer as 5544. Now we'll find the volume of sphere. So volume of sphere equals to 4 upon 3 pi r square. So now we put in the this and get the answer, which is 4 into 22 into 3 into 7. 4 into 22 is 88 and 3 into 7. 88 into 3 is 264 into 7, which is 1848 centimeter cube. Now friends, that is it for today. Today we learned many questions to solve and how can we easily solve them of 10th standard. Hope you liked the video. Do share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel. As I said you in the beginning of this session only, that we take lots of efforts for you all to make this video. So friends, that is it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.